Ate, three sting. Three sting.
Video. Liwag.
It is a wonderful morning here at Silang, Sunday. So I'm actually heading in. I'm actually heading in to donate blood. This is like the annual blood donation. So Sina asked me to donate for her blood. So the medical student, they have to get people to donate blood. That's like one of the requirements. So I've been doing that for Owen, Michaela. So now it's Sina's turn. So I'm heading in now. It's around 10 o'clock now. So I'm gonna go in, donate blood, and then come back. So this will be the whole day this Sunday, blood donation time. I should have come here earlier in the morning. I think the line is really long now. I met Alod halfway. He just finished. Let me go and see what's up. You have biro?
Sit with Warren so you can use his Bible.
Hi, Warren.
Oi, Larry.
Apparently, I'm 61 kilo.
Use
What's your weight?
86.
Well,
No way.
mine is 61.
I'm not riding. But me weighing 86.
61 kilos. From 82 to 61.
He's from 19 something to 86.
It's a big drop. 61. 82 to 61. That's what's up. And I forgot to bring biro. Thankfully, I met Warren. Hi, Sina.
What am I? What am I?
Huh?
What am I?
Biro.
Inhale, sir. 1, 2.
Meanwhile, while waiting for donation, we watched. This guy took off with his phone. We were watching the game. We are donating blood so she can get the points. He got age.
You know who's in there.
So the last time I donated was 2024, which actually was October 2025. But I forgot to bring this card for them to record it. So My bag is right there. What is that money? Are you bribing me for my blood?
When you exit,
Oh, okay.
give this to the desk table at the exit.
Oh, okay.
To know that you're my donor.
All right, I just got back from the blood donation thing. Waited for 15 minutes, the usual waiting period. Warren actually finished early. I have to go and they have to push me around through different stations just to get, donate the blood. So anyway, I got my stamp. This is like the blood donation card. So I had 2 now. Actually, it's 3. I forgot last year October to bring this or to people to write, but anyway, at least I got it stamped, and then some papers, what to expect, what not expect. Put this here, a bag of goodies. Today they gave this purse pouch. Last year they gave like key tag that I put on the house key, but this year they gave the pouch. I'm a blood donor pouch for coins, hopefully, if I have coins. Anyway, let's see some goodies. I ate this morning, just light breakfast, so they usually give this away. Lava cake and Gesto. I'm just gonna add this and wait for Sina. Sina said she'll be bringing food here, so I met Ricky and Neverity at the blood thing. They're still at the end of the line, so they're probably gonna be donating around 4 p.m. because I went there 10 a.m. and then 12 o'clock I donate, so it's a long line. Anyway, let me have my food and then see what's up afterwards. Anyway, this is the last part of the day. I feel like this is like 3 vlogs that I've did. That it starts with blood donation and then cultural night at the end. So the international students are having their cultural night tonight, so I'm gonna go and watch it. The Pacific Island community are doing their dance also. And I've been working out on the canoe that you see on the previous video. So me and Alo Ricky, we've been working hard to do that canoe, so finally the day has come. Let's go.